In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we are going to continue our videos in Science for Junior 3. And we still in Unit 11, but we are going to talk about Lesson 4. But before talking about Lesson 4, we should know what we have learned in our last videos. In our last videos, we have talked about the universe and the galaxy. And of course, we have talked about the solar system, our solar system. So we said that the sun is the center of the solar system, and there are 8 planets rotate around the sun in orbit. And we have talked about the characters of each planet. We said that Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. We said that Earth is our planet, and it's the planet that we are living on. We said Mars is the red planet. We said that Jupiter is the largest planet. We said that Saturn is surrounded by over 1,000 rings made of ice and dust. We said that Uranus is the coldest planet. And in the last, we said that Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. In this lesson, Lesson 4, we are going to talk about the moon. First, the moon is a small ball that goes around the earth, And as you see in front of you, of course, in the night sky, you can see moon. And this is a picture of moon in front of you. It takes about 28 days to go around the earth once. So it takes about 28 days to complete turn around the earth. Moon on its way around the earth, it seems to change its shape. But in fact, the moon doesn't really change shape. As you see in the picture in front of you, the part of the moon that we see on earth, it's the part that is that has been lit by the light of the sun. So we see the part which reflect the light of the sun. So it seems to us that moon changing its shape, but in fact moon doesn't really change its shape. We only see the part of the moon which is lit by the sun, which lit by the light of the sun. Next, the moon is a dark body. As it moves, like the picture you have seen, as it moves, it reflects the light of the sun. On Earth, we only see the part of the moon that is lit by the sun. We only see the part of the moon that is lit by the light of the sun. As the moon position change, like the picture we have seen, as the moon position changes, the moon can be seen changing its shape. But in fact, it doesn't change its shape. We only see the part which is lit by the sun, by the light of the sun. That's why we see like the moon changing its shape. But in fact, we only see the part which is lit by the light of the sun. Okay. So as we see the moon changing its shape, it makes something called phases of the moon. Phases of the moon means the shapes of the moon that we see in the night sky. The shapes of the moon that we can see in the night sky. First, we see crescent. Crescent, we can see it in the first of the month, like in the first of Ramadan. We see crescent. Then we can see half moon. Then we can see full moon as you see the pictures in front of you. Full moon. Then we can see half moon again, and then crescent again in the last of the months. So what are the phases of the moon? The phases of the moon is or are crescent, half moon, full moon, half moon again, and crescent again. So we have learned in this video that the moon is a dark body, rotates around the earth, and it reflects the light of the sun, the sunlight, and it seems to us that it's changing its shape, but in fact it doesn't change its shape. We can only see the part of the moon that is lit by the light of the sun or the sunlight. And the phases of the moon are crescent, half moon, full moon, again half moon, crescent again. That's the phases of the moon. That's our video for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.